Hey everybody, it's Tom. Today we're going to be making currywurst. It's probably one of my favorite foods. I had it when I was in Germany several years ago. It's just yummy. And this is real simple. So this is how we do it. First, take a 15-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, or if you want, you can use tomato sauce. Now, me personally, I am using crushed fire roasted tomatoes. And then after that, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar. I'm using turbinado sugar. 2 tablespoons curry powder. Actually, that's not curry powder, that is paprika. Here is the 2 tablespoons of curry powder. A 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. If you don't have it, white vinegar will work too. I've used both. And then we heat it up and get it going. This is a super simple sauce. You can actually keep it for a few days in the fridge after it's done. It's just yummy. I love the stuff. Now, if you have it in your area, you can also use curry ketchup. My Kroger's here used to sell it. Kroger's had their own brand of curry ketchup, but they've stopped it. So, which kind of bummed me out. So, glad I found this recipe. I'll leave the link for the original website where I got this in the description below. So basically, the only thing we're really doing here is heating everything up, warming it up, and just let it all combine and get happy. Now, if you want it a little bit spicier, you can add a few shakes of cayenne like I'm doing here. I don't want it too spicy, but that is all strictly to taste. So anyway, you just heat this up for about, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 minutes. Let it get warmed up, and then you're ready to go. So when this is done and when my bratwursts are done, I'll plate it up and we'll do the taste test. I'll see you then. Okay, here it is. Let's give this a shot, see how it tastes. Looks like a decent one. Get enough sauce on there. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my God. That is good. Make this sauce, you can't go wrong with it. And the best thing is, you can also use it for your French fries. So, everybody have a great day. Go out and cook something. I'll see you next time. Hi everybody, it's Tom. I am back again with another video. That sounds like shit.